Here's how to use the InnuScience RSG system. A single RSG handle allows to dilute the entire range of products. The dilution takes place inside the container itself via the insert. The bottle is tamper-proof, so no loss. Securely screw the RSG handle to the neck of the product. Connect the gray hose to the handle. Connect the other end of the hose to the water inlet. Secure the filter straw to the bottom of the sprayer to prevent foaming. Fill your sprayer. Watch out for inertia when stopping. Stop filling before reaching the bottleneck. Screw on the sprayer head. It is recommended to purge the system when changing the product. This prevents mixing two different products. When filling a bucket or small scrubber, it is possible to activate the automatic filling using the red ring. To prevent overflow, never fill a bucket or scrubber without supervision. We recommend that you always turn off the water supply after use in order to avoid unnecessary pressure on the RSG system, or worse, water damage. Make sure the surface is dry and affix the appropriate identification label. Otherwise, reuse an old previously cleaned bottle. Refer to the wall charts according to your industry for proper use of the products.